Hello and welcome to this lecture video on levels of measurement. After this video, students will be able to identify the 4 levels of measurement: nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Nominal level measurement are cases that are classified into 2 or more categories on some variable. Any numerical values do not mean anything. Race and gender are examples here. Other examples include your favorite brand of sneakers, what type of pets you own. This sort of measurement can only be put into categories. It cannot be put into any sort of order. For example, if we talk about what sort of pets people have, people can say that they have fish, reptiles, dogs, cats, rabbits, etc. But we can't necessarily put those answers or those responses into any particular order. They just go into those categories of the different types of pets someone can own. Ordinal level measurement is similar to nominal level measurement in that cases are classified and put into categories. However, with ordinal level measurement, we can rank them. So the cases can be put into order, and any numbers can indicate rank. The numbers are important as they rank the case, but the distance between the numbers is not meaningful. So examples here include things like satisfaction surveys, your place in a race, whether you win bronze, silver, or gold in the Olympics, etc. With ordinal level measurement, again, we can put the cases in order or rank them, but the distance between each rank is not meaningful. For example, in a satisfaction survey, you might say that I'm very satisfied, somewhat satisfied, neither satisfied or dissatisfied, somewhat dissatisfied, or very dissatisfied. Now, we can definitely put those in order, right? Very satisfied is more satisfied than somewhat satisfied. But we don't necessarily know the distance, or we can't necessarily subtract somewhat satisfied from very satisfied. That distance is not meaningful. So we can put ordinal level measurements in an order or rank them, but we can't know the distance between each case or rank. Interval level measurement is similar to ordinal level measurement in that you can put your cases in order, you can rank them, but the intervals or distances between each case are meaningful, and you can add or subtract these cases. However, there is no absolute or meaningful zero, so you cannot create meaningful ratios, multiply, or divide interval level measurement. Examples here include things like temperature, IQ, SAT scores. For example, with temperature, we can add or subtract temperature. It was 54 today outside, yesterday was 52, today is 2 degrees warmer than yesterday. We can create those meaningful differences. However, because there's no meaningful zero for temperature, we cannot multiply or divide. And the way of thinking about this is if you have, let's say, 0 money in your bank account, that means you have no money. However, if it is 0 degrees outside, does that mean that there's no temperature? No, it simply indicates that there is a very cold temperature outside, right? It is just another point on the scale. Another way of illustrating this is 32 degrees Fahrenheit is 0 degrees Celsius. If I were to double 32 degrees Fahrenheit, I would get 64. However, what would happen if I were to double 0 degrees Celsius? I'd end up with 0. Because that 0 is not a meaningful point, meaning that 0 is not the absence of something, we cannot multiply or divide or create ratios. Last, we have ratio level measurement. Like interval level measurement, we can rank our cases, we can add or subtract, but ratio level measurement has meaningful zeros. Zeros that indicate the absence of something. This means we can multiply and divide. We can talk about things like income, number of siblings, number of pets, how old you are, how tall you are. All those sorts of things that we can count, essentially, are going to be ratio level measurement. Interval level measurement is very rare. Typically when we see a count, it is going to be ratio level measurement. And even a lot of statistical programs don't differentiate between ratio and interval level measurement because interval level measurement is so rare. So typically we're going to be seeing ratio level measurement. So again, we have nominal, which is categories, ordinal, which is categories that can be ranked, interval, categories that can be ranked and added or subtracted, and ratio level measurement, categories that can be ranked, added and subtracted, and multiply and divided. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.